harder, like. Harder. Sure or not, bro?
Hey Lucas, I feel that my boyfriend is cheating on me.
Oh my god, all guys are like that, except me.
It's worse than that. He's cheating on me over a guy.
What? A guy?
Yeah, his best friend, Terry. Baby, you know I saw this Dior handbag on Carousel selling at 3,500 leh. I don't know whether I want to buy, but it's cheaper than the boutique lah.
Don't buy lah, $3,500 waste money lah. Dior will come out new design one. Don't buy lah. Hey, wait Terry call me. Hey, bro. Yes, you need $5,000 Okay lah, don't worry. Money small issue. You settle your problem first. You settle finish next time, then you return me money lah. Okay Can Okay, I pay now you now. Bye.
But this only proves that he treats friends better than girlfriend, mah?
That's not all. One day, I was outside and I saw him with Terry.
Harder a bit.
Harder, like. Harder. Sure or not, bro? Sure, right, bro? Oh my god, that's gross.
Guys, I can't sleep well for so many nights. You know, last night around 3 AM, he even called Terry.
Hey bro, sorry to call you in the middle of the night. Why we must become like that? Now involve my girlfriend. Aiyo. Sooner or later I have to break the news to her one day. Why?
I don't know what to say.
I guess our relationship is over.
Baby, I'm back.
Whatever I tell you just now, don't tell my boyfriend, okay?
Okay, let's go. Okay, babe.
Hello. Hey baby, so early wake up
We were just talking about you just now.
Talking about me Got anything to talk about me, man?
Just now we talk about you cheating your girlfriend. Shh. You cheat with her, never mind. Some more, you cheat with a guy.
Rice can anyhow eat or work cannot anyhow say one.
She want to buy a Dior bag, and then she hint. You never buy for her, and then you lend your money to your best friend Terry.
Oh, yo! Brother need help. I help my brother. This one called brotherhood. He stay with me, I stay with him lah. Then some more, baby, you never tell me you want me to buy the Dior bag. I thought you want to buy it on your own. My fault lah. Don't know how to catch the hint.
Not only this, she also saw you hanky-panky with Terry.
Aiyo, no lah! I show you. Recently, I think getting older already. The shoulder ache like hell like that.
I help you come steady.
Stay here.
You see,
you know or not?
I know. You see, last time I also learned massage. I also help my wife to massage every night. Wow, she love it leh. Wow, you see, nice right? Wow, strong
Hey bro, I tell you what. My thigh recently, damn ache You help me massage my thigh.
Your thigh also got problem
you massage my thigh.
Your thigh is so big. So strong your thigh.
Harder a bit.
Harder like. Nice, no? You like it?
Yeah, I like it. Sure. That's what happened.
Then how about yesterday? You were stalking secretly to Terry. You want to break the news to your girlfriend?
Baby, I tell you yesterday, actually, I called Terry, because of one very important thing. You know our PTO coming soon, right? He go and take the initiative, go and sign on Renopedia. Then after that, got 5 to 8 interior design firm call him. He come and tell me that if you sign on Renopedia, you got chance to win up to $50,000. Then I tell him, even though so good, you also must ask me where can you make your own decision? Because PTO is not me and him, it's me and you. So I have to break the news to you.
I just realized I forget to keep my laundry. It's going to rain. Maybe I leave first. Bye bye.
Looking for dream home? Sign up and renovate with Renopedia and stand a chance to win up to $50,000.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.